Hey guys, Natalie here at Shoes of Hollywood. Another unboxing for you. These ones here are a Flamingo-808. They're a silver with simulated rhinestone. So let's have a look at them first. There's one. So these ones are another one that have the clear straps. And they do have the ankle strap as well. Is that the other? Cool, okay. So check that one out. So they're almost completely clear, and then just the simulated rhinestones are very silver. They do catch the light, but they're not real rhinestones, which is fine, but they still catch the light, and they're on the inside of the shoe as well, so you're not going to get any scratches or anything like that from them, which is really, really awesome. Golly. These are an 8-inch heel again. This will be my 4th pair, and we're outside so that I can walk on the leveled cement because I don't want to fall, even though you probably do want me to fall, but that's okay. We'll agree to disagree. But yeah, so we'll try them on. Once again, don't be alarmed if this plastic looks like it's really tight. It's meant to be that way, and it will mold to your feet. It'll become much better. The more you wear them the better it'll get. So it's just gotten caught, but it's all good. Alright. There it is. Cool. So that's these ones. Another pair of Flamingo 8 inches. Okay. We'll take them for a test run. Make sure you're always holding onto the railing, especially in shoes really high, because you never know if you're going to fall. So you're going to hold on nice and tight every time you use the stairs. I'm concentrating so hard on walking in these shoes. nice to be tall for change. It is good. That's how tall I am. I can touch the roof. I'd say that was more or less a success. Just a couple of wobbles here and there, but not too bad. Oh. So these ones were, once again, these were the Flamingo-808 with simulated rhinestones. The 8-inch heel. Okay. Made it through another video, still alive. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave some comments, tell us what you thought. Hit the bell, get your notifications every time we upload a new one, and hit subscribe as well. And we'll see you next time. Thanks, bye!